Thai chicken with corn and asparagus. Cut 6 to 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. Season with salt and pepper. In a medium pot over medium heat, saute 1 medium chopped onion in the olive oil and butter. When the onion is soft and fragrant, add the minced garlic and the chicken pieces. Cook approximately 10 to 15 minutes, then add the chopped ginger and stir often. Add 2.5 cups of the almond milk, then the lime juice plus lime zest from 1 lime plus 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Bring to a simmer and reduce the heat to medium. Cover and continue cooking for approximately 10 minutes. Add the asparagus pieces, the chopped kerneled corn, and plus the chopped basil leaves. Cook until the asparagus pieces are crisp tender. Then add the asparagus tips. Stir in the coconut milk, taste, and adjust the seasonings. Enjoy.